Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Just wanted to let you guys know what I've been up to. It's been a minute. Last time I guess I posted something was Saturday, and it's Thursday. So here's what I've been working on. Got a event this coming Saturday and the following Saturday, and I wanted to try and get some bracelets done, some that were not from last year. And I'm just gonna be real, guys. I am not a fan of creating elastic bracelets. I'm just not. It takes a little bit a different type of thinking, and it feels like more work for me. But you know, maybe it's because I haven't done it in a while. I think I'm okay with what I have here, and I like them. But to those of you who make elastic bracelets on a regular, my hat's off to you. Number one, my hands hurt. And I think, again, it's probably because I don't do it much, but it does take a little bit more hand work. That and wiring. Wiring is something that does something to my hands as well. So we all have our own thing. And again, to those of you who make elastic bracelets on a regular, props to you. So here's what I've created. I bought these letters from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. It was a whole stack of, I mean, this container is huge. And the vision that I had was to make these bracelets. Not necessarily this design, but to have a bracelet that has words like this. All right, hopefully I haven't spelled any wrong, but here's what I got. So strong. These are motivational bracelets that I have, been wanting to make for a while. So here, and this is a combination of some of the other glass beads that I have. So we got one that says strong, another one that says happy. Move it out the way. That's a nice little bling there. One that says faith. And I tried to just do some different color combinations that are not seen always. Enough. This one I think is my favorite. Then we have one that says love. And another one that says blessed. I love these. These are my favorite kind of bracelets. So yeah, so we got all of these inspirational, motivational bracelets. I wanted to have more than just one of each, but again, my hands are hurting me right now. Fatigued, should I say. And y'all know it is Pride Month, so I figured I would make some bracelets for those that celebrate Pride. For our unique bracelet, I have, it's a white lava bead with some white frosted white glass. This I got from Hobby Lobby, a bunch of these. And these are my bracelets that I created for the month of June, Pride Month. I was restringing some men's bracelets. This is Cornelian, I believe it's called, and hematite. So I restrung that, and this could be a his and hers bracelet, or she can take it and make it her own set. Haven't decided how I'm going to do that one. And then for Juneteenth, I was playing around with some colors of bracelets that, this is also a part of the package that had this one in it. Creatology is the name of the brand, if you want to go to Hobby Lobby and find it. It's either that or Michael's, I can't remember. So I was playing around with making tons and tons of bracelets. This is all done in one day. Yeah. So Hopefully you guys are doing well. I am ready for the weekend. I am so excited that it is Thursday. I'm excited to go back out and meet up with my customers at the event this Sunday. And I'm hoping that they like what I have created for them. Usually there's a couple that are always stopping by. I saw one lady that I hadn't seen since last year, and she and I just sat and chit chat for such a long time. It's always good to see your customers in person. All right, guys, this is what I got. Y'all have an amazing day. Bye.